Now I want to add the score. If this crystal is touching the ball, the score should be incremented. To how to add the score, for that you'll go to variable, okay, and then you will create a new variable by choosing make a variable, and then you can name it as score or diamond collected as per your choice. So as you click on OK, the score will appear here. Now you want that if the diamond or the crystal is touching the ball, it should be deleted and the score should also be incremented. So can you see that it is given over here, change my variable by 1. It is in again variable only. So click in variable and take this one over here. And instead of my variable, because you have score, you will take it as score. Okay, so now if I am able to collect, you can see the score is changing. Okay, but what do you want now? You want that, let's see, if I click on the flag again, what will happen? It will start from 4, but I don't want this. I want that every time whenever I start my game, it should start with 0. So for that, there is one more thing. Set my variable to 0 and take it when the flag is clicked and change it to score. So whenever you click on the flag, it will set it to 0 and then it will start from 1, like this. Now I have another criteria, like if I am able to score more than 5, I will get my winner screen, right? So I have to take another backdrop. Let's choose another backdrop first. Let's take the blue sky and go to costume, and you will type the message over there. Click on the stage and delete this one. Click on this, take your text tool. Click on this, take your text tool, and then type your message. You 1. Okay, and then you can increase the size of it too. Just drag it like this. Okay, position it like this. So if I click on the flag, you can see that this screen is visible, but it should not be. It should be the star screen. So what you will do, you will go to code and then click on the bowl, and what you will do is, when click on this, when the flag is clicked, switch backdrop to stars, right? So whenever you click on the flag, it will start with the star, right? And now one more criteria was, if you are able to score more than 5, you want to switch to the welcome or winner screen, right? So let's go to crystal, and again if condition, go to control, if condition, put it over here, if, and then you have to compare, which is an operator, if score, right? So it is in variable. If score is greater than 5, then you want to switch to the next backdrop. So go to look, switch backdrop to blue sky, right? So let's see whether it is working or not. So as I told you that if I am able to score more than 6, I will get my winner screen. But over there, as you have seen that the diamonds were still falling. I don't want that, and I don't want the ball also over here on my winner screen. So for that, what I have to do is, I'll go to control and take stop all and put it over here. It will stop everything as I'm able to get 7 stars or 6 stars. So you can see that the falling of the star has stopped. Now to hide this ball, so I'll go to when the backdrop is switches to, go to events. When backdrop switches to stars, you want this ball to be shown. So go to looks, take show, and just duplicate this. And instead of star, if the backdrop switches to blue sky, you want to hide this bar. So take the hide block from looks, and this is how it's going to work. Okay, this is done with the crystal. I have to do in it for the ball. So what I'll do, I'll just move these blocks over here. Let's see whether they are copied or not. They are here. So what I can do, I will delete them from crystal because I don't want this to be with the crystal. So my ball is visible in the star one to collect the crystals, and as I got more than 5, I got my winner screen and the ball is also not here. So that's all. This is how we will make this crystal catching game. I think you found it interesting and you will try it at home. If you have any problem, do write in the comment section. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe, share, like and explore as always. Thank you.